Welcome back to Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and in today's walk around video we're looking at pre-owned 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross LE all-wheel drive. This compact SUV comes in premium windshield pearl color and equipped with the 2-liter V4 engine with VVTi and continuously variable transmission. This powertrain produces 169 horsepower. And some of the exterior features here, we can see black grille, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 sensors integrated into the windshield and front grille, block heater outlet integrated into the bumper, LED headlamps, and 17-inch wheels with alloy rims. Front suspension on this Corolla Cross is McPherson strut, and rear is a double wishbone. It has front and rear stabilizer bar. And exterior features we see here, it's the plastic black molding on the bottom to protect your vehicle from the scratches. Also, we have privacy rear glass at the back, black painted roof railings and roof integrated shark fin antenna, body colored door handles, and body-colored exterior mirrors with integrated turning light, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, and they're also heated. It's equipped with smart key fob system in keyless entry. In order to lock this Corolla Cross, simply press those two lines on the door handle and it locks. To unlock, put your hand in the door handle and it unlocks. Driver's door is equipped with powered windows with auto up down for all windows. Also powered doors and window lock and exterior mirror adjustment here. Speaker, bottle holder, and some storage compartment. On the driver's position, we have tilted and telescopic steering wheel and buttons on the side from it. It's interior brightness adjustment with driver informational display, automatic high beams as a part of Toyota Safety Sense feature, and front windshield wiper de-icer. And here's our hood release right here. A-shaped roof pillars and exterior mirrors placed on the door also helps big time with visibility for the driver when turning left or right. And this Corolla Cross has 6 audio speakers throughout the cabin. And here's our steering wheel, which is heated. And behind it, we have driver informational gauge cluster with digital display where we can preset our safety settings, look at our gas mileage, trip information, and all-wheel drive system, and so much more, and also audio settings. And here's the latest. This Corolla Cross is equipped with latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 features with lane departure alert with steering assist, blind spot monitor, pre-collision system, rear cross traffic alert, a safe exit alert, road sign assist, and other settings that could be useful for the driver here. We have audio controls, adaptive cruise mode, compass, and eco indicator for the fuel consumption. On the steering wheel, we have driver informational display controls right here, hands-free, volume up and down, voice intelligent assistant. On the right, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control right here with the sonar sensor in the windshield, and lane departure alert button right here as well, more audio controls. In the center of the dash, we're getting 8-inch Toyota multimedia touchscreen with Toyota connected services that you can inquire from your product advisor about those services. And also Sirius XM, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, that's our wireless. Engine start stop button, by the way, hiding here behind the steering wheel. And we can go through vehicle settings here as well, our Bluetooth devices, display settings, vehicle customization for lights, door controls, climate, and utilities. Down below, we have automatic climate control with air conditioner and eco heat and cooling mode. Also front windshield de-icer, rear window, and exterior mirrors defroster. Moving down below, we have heated steering wheel button, heated seats for the driver and the front passenger, USB-C port, and wireless QI phone charger. Engine start stop off button right here, and traction control off button. our automatic transmission gear shifter, electronic parking brake with brake hold, 2 cup holders, and central console storage, also equipped with the USB-C port and 12-volt connector. Overhead console equipped with the day and night rear view mirror. We have airbags, passenger airbags indicators right here. Toyota Safety Connect SOS button, map LED lights for the driver and the front passenger. This Corolla Cross is equipped with the sunroof, and that's the buttons to manage our sunroof. And sun visors have integrated LED lights, automatic LED light, and the mirror. Interior made of high quality black fabric, and seats have headrests. Driver and front passenger seat both are manually adjustable. Rear passengers get to enjoy powered windows, cup holders, speakers in their doors. Also, back of the central console is equipped with the duct vents and 2 USB-C ports there. Toyota all-weather mats, rubber mats with Corolla Cross badging in them. And rear seats are also foldable in order to extend our cargo area, and have children's seat anchors behind them, and LED light in the ceiling as well, and coat hooks right beside the handles there. Also, each rear door equipped with children's safety locks. At the back of this Corolla Cross LE all-wheel drive, we have rear spoiler with rear window washer, and this is a privacy rear glass with the tint as well. Our tail lights, we have extra 2 lights here at the back door to help us with the visibility in dark, and a rear view camera with backup guide, Corolla Cross badging. And in order to open the back door, just simply press buttons on the back here. And here's our cargo space with the tonneau cover or privacy cover. People call it different ways, but the idea is simple. It's just to protect your cargo from people seeing it through your windows. Here's the LED light. We have hooks for cargo net here, and 2 storage compartments on the side, and here's your block heater cord, comes with this vehicle. And here we have carpet mats and spare tire with jack and tools to replace it. Here is another look at our pre-owned 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross LE all-wheel drive that we have here in stock. This compact SUV has lots of convenient features, like 8-inch Toyota multimedia touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is wireless. Also wireless QI phone charger, heated front seats, USB-C ports for the front and rear passengers, heated steering wheel, latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 features, and so much more. Stop by to test drive this Corolla Cross today. We're located at 137 Avenue and St.Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.